Star Talk teachers. This is a brief tutorial to show you how to add and remove students from your course in Pulsar. So the first thing that you need to do, of course, is go to pulsar.uoregon.edu and click Login in the top right corner. At that point, you'll be asked to enter your username and your password, and then you'll click Login. While this is loading, I'd like to note that the best way to actually get your students registered for your class and signed into your class is to come to this menu, go to tutorials, and find the tutorials to give to the students so that they can actually create their own accounts. That way they have access to all the information that they need and they get to know the system a little bit while they're creating their accounts. However, that approach doesn't work for every teacher, so we do want to show you the next best approach, which is using the batch upload function. So all I need to do is scroll down to students and click batch upload students. At that point, I'll need to download a template CSV file and fill it out. Here is the CSV file that I created. You'll see I have 3 students here. They each have a username, a password, and an email. That's all of the information that I need to put on the template. However, when you're filling it out, do make sure that each username has at least 6 characters and each password has at least 6 characters also. Let me close this, save it. This pop-up happens a lot. Hit continue. And then now the last student. These students I'm going to say are Swahili students. So I will click that from the predictive text. And now I will choose my file, which is located on my desktop. Here's my batch upload template, my CSV file, and I will click upload. You'll see these students were all added successfully. Then I click done. And when I scroll down, I'll see all of the students in the class. It's all pretty easy, but say, for example, I added Fernando on accident. All I have to do is click the arrow in the top right corner of his icon and then select Remove Student. It's that simple. Now there is one more way to add students, and that is to go through the entire process with each student individually on the teacher end. So here I can just click Add Student, and one by one I can create usernames for each of them. So in this case, my student will be named May 20. Search. No one has that username. That will be my student's real name as well. Give my student a password. Again, remember they have to be 6 characters. I'll put in an email and find the language. Again, I must click from the predictive text options and select save. And then May 20 should appear in my group. Here she is right down here, May 20. And there you have it. That's how you add and remove students from groups. Thank you.